Everything that exists in the African culture is guided spiritually.
And if the spirit refuses to leave, then you leave it there.
We need to do proper research. I would like to come up on the stage. Julius Mutuku is the founder of the Akamba Cultural Museum. Furuha Ruguru is an award-winning Kenyan music journalist. Kiraga, who is the founding chairman of the MADCA, a non-profit community-based organization based in Kilifi. So the film is titled Usanii and Ufundi because, as Cha was saying, we realized that in order for people, or also as the first panel was saying, for you to kind of curate your histories and put them out there, you need a certain kind of skill and expertise. So the film is an honor to the journey, but also the people who make this possible, who are seated right in front of me. Maybe let's start with the responsibilities we have when telling our stories with and for others. What responsibilities do you think you, as Julius, holds as the founder of Akamba Cultural Center, to hold these stories, but also to tell them?
If you have to tell the story of a community, it is better to hear that story from them. We need to do proper and thorough research so that when we present or represent a people or we present an item, then we have the correct information about that item or that history of a certain people.
We've been told that the African culture or the African people had no religion, but in fact, everything that exists in the African culture is guided spiritually.
African artifact comes with its accompanying spirit. And if the spirit refuses to leave, then you leave it there.
A lot of our history has been destroyed through misinformation. We have a responsibility for the future of our of other generations. And so in telling these stories, we should avoid telling them the way they were told. Just a small twist can lead the whole community astray.
Yeah, we normally move as if there weren't people who came before us. Like, there's no one who made music in the 50s. Like, we discovered music in 2000 and, like Issa is the only great person in Kenyan music history, which is not true because there are so many women and men who made so much music that is the foundation of the industry we have now, of the music that we're enjoying right now. So it's about remembering them and telling their stories the right way, telling them with honor, telling them with the right facts so that the community and the people right now can get it as it was. Sampling is the future of Kenyan music because it's a way of remembering where we've come from, but we have to do it ethically, we have to do it legally, because these resources are there, this music is there. You'll find it on YouTube, you'll find it everywhere, but how do you use it in the correct way that will honor the people who made it, and how do we take it forward in the right way?
I've maybe just one question. Sometimes when we work with people, they don't see the value of what they have. For them, it's not worth sharing. How do you convince people that their history, their stories are valuable and they are important also beyond their family? How do you convince them?
It's a lot of work to convince anybody that anything that is not Christian is worth keeping. When you are collecting items of history, you have to convince that person, why do you need this history? Because one old man asked me, this drum has made me get excommunicated from the church. So why are you taking it? What use will it be? This is where I tell him, whoever made the drum had knowledge. And this knowledge, we need this knowledge for future. You have to show them that what you are doing has got value. So as we do this work, as we tell these stories, we should not be aggressive.
Hii kazi inahitaji ufundi. There's a level of expertise that you need to navigate this space. It's not just one skill. Thank you for sitting with us, also for listening to us and learning from us, but above all, also teaching us. We are here because of you. Yeah, asanteni sana.
I'm glad you are here, guys. I can talk and talk and talk because it's like preaching a culture. Thank you.